What's up, guys? Mike Thompson here. Welcome back to another episode of MunzTV. We're here at the New Hope residence. We just got done doing drywall. We're in the process of spackling. Come on and take a look. So here we are back in our master bath. Drywall is up, mechanicals are done. We're getting ready to measure up our marble pieces, getting ready for tile work, and coming up, we're gonna be installing our Jack and Jill. So here we are, we're standing in our new mud room. One thing important to think about is when we design and build is originally the mud room was downstairs on the first floor, making it very difficult for bringing up laundry up and down the stairs. We decided to move to the second floor, add sound deadening insulation all the way around the room. And here's our new setup with a drain in the floor for second floor and our new mechanicals right over here. We are back here in the kitchen finally. So much has happened here in a while. We got new windows going on over here. Toe kick registers, hood exhaust is ready to rock and roll. And here's one thing to keep in mind. We had soffits all the way around here. In removing the soffits, we had pipe work that we had to deal with. So we're gonna incorporate this and hide this pipe work within our crown molding detail at the top of the kitchen cabinets. Thanks guys for checking out another episode of MunzTV. Can't wait to have you back. We're gonna be working on tiles, cabinetry, trim work, paint. You got it, come check it out.